Sanibona, ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. Welcome back to another hot review of Uthandwa Nesithembu season 8 episode 18. Yeah guys, it's a lot to digest. It was definitely heated ngempela. Basically baqhubeka la begcine khona from the other episode. Can we talk about uMakhumalo refusing to accept i-answer kaMacele about i-voice note? Yini le angayizwanga thina esizwile? Because even noMangwabe noMayeni bebesho ukuthi hayibo usewuphendulile umbuzo wakho. Like honestly angi-understandanga ukuthi bisiphakamelani manje emoya. Because uyachaza nje uMacele ukuthi i-voice note was about letting people know ukuthi umcimbi umayelana no-introducer o-number 5. So basically the people who didn't know directly from uMseleku was uMangwabe noMayeni. But now we know sonke as viewers ukuthi uMangwabe utshele uMakhumalo and uMacele utshele uMayeni. So basically people knew ukuthi umcimbi ungani. But bona because they wanna expose uMseleku for his lies, vele bazothi they don't know ngoba abayizwanga from him directly. So manje angi-understandi mina namhlanje khona i-voice note thina esingayazi eyaziwa uThobile naye Mangwabe mhlawumbe she knows about it because naye imoya bisiphakeme. Maybe they should let us hear ukuthi kanti yena uthini uMacele kahle hle kule voice note yabo. Mhlawumbe khona indaba ayikhipha that are more than lento yokuthi ube introduce number 5 asazi. Mina ke nje I think it's hypocritical of uMakhumalo to criticize uMseleku for protecting uMacele in that situation, because if you guys remember, uMseleku protected uMakhumalo the same way when uMacele was saying she's not gonna support umembiso wakhe uMakhumalo. Umseleku went on a whole rant saying ukuthi uMacele uyifenisha warawara, it's been years emseva, telling uMakhumalo ukuthi she should stop serving abantu abangafuni ukumseva. And in that period it was because uMakhumalo was supporting uMusa yonke into beyenza. So now that uMacele naye usisupporta uMseleku kulezinto lezi ayifunayo, now sengathi manje intembi ukuthi uyamprotecta. Whatever problem they have with uMacele, they should channel all that energy kumyeni wabo. Like he said, I honestly agree with uMseleku. Mayethi uyena onesithembu, so all the blame must be assigned to him because he has accepted ukuthi uyena wrong in this whole situation. Into nje mina engiyibonayo in this whole mess ukuthi i-unity kaMayeni noMangwabe noMakhumalo izokwenza uMseleku asondelane kakhulu ke kuMacele kunakuqala, cause nabo sebeyaqala manje ukuhlangana ney'nkinga abanazo with the other wives. Personally, I don't think uMacele engakhuluma ngezinto kubantu bangaphandle ebengazizwanga kuMseleku or engathunywanga uMseleku. If kuleyo voice notes kaMakhumalo mhlambe uzwakala uMacele ekhuluma ngezinto mhlambe bona oMakhumalo noMangwabe noMayeni ebebengazazi ngo-number 5 mhlambe sezenzekile, mhlambe useceliwe, mhlambe uselotsholiwe, that's because she heard it from indoda yabo. So all the questions they have for uMacele, they should direct them to uMseleku. Hayi ke ungiqedileke umbhemu esekhala. Ayichashe umyakwazi ukukhala, ngivele nje nami ngadabuka bakithi ngathi nje ayivalwe nje le meeting, ayivalwe, because wow guys masekhala abantu nje ayivele ivalwe nje impela nje ingaphindi ikhulunywe. But ke abantu abamaziyo ke bona hayi bavele baciya kakhulu ukuthi usekhalelani ke manje ngoba bayamazi phela ukuthi uyathanda ukukhala. Then sibonile ke uMseleku ehlangana noMacele bedikida ke le ndaba ye-meeting, and all I can say is nje uMakhumalo must kiss that IVF goodbye, cause uMseleku nje will definitely hold it against her njengoba engasamseki nje hlobo kule ndaba ka-number 5. And then ke uMacele mentioned that uMayeni unokusho nje kancane kancane ukuthi engakhulumi nje kakhulu because akahlala eMzumbe full time. And guys nami I've noticed ukuthi hayibo and iyathanda uqhamuka kuyena uMayeni lento, and I'm just like trying to ignore it kodwa manje it keeps coming up. And bakithi it's forcing me to take a side laMacele in this because wow hayibo ukhulunyiswa nje umona wokuthi akahlali eMzumbe uMacele bakithi. And mina ke nje I don't think ukuthi uMayeni would have thought about that idea yokuthi yazini angifuna ukuhlala namakhosikazi, cela nje if uyasifuna lesi sithembu ngakhela umuzi or ungithengele umuzi outside of this mess. I feel like nje isithembu where uMayeni is umamkhulu. I feel like nje kungaba nje i-boot camp nje, kube strict nje egcekeni nje, khale nje ibhungezi nje, kube kuye like nje angimboni nje ewulo mamkhulu awuyena uMacele. I feel like nje under i-leadership kaMayeni, guys, I think nje abantu bengabaleka nje. It doesn't matter nje honestly ukuthi umamkhulu whether uyahlala eMzumba whether akahlala eMzumba, okusalayo nje her opinion is very important and she has the right to talk however wherever noma ngakhuluma kangakanani because umamkhulu egcineni kosuku. So if khona izinto engavumelani nazo ngeke nje alawulwe abantu abafika emva kwakhe ukuthi akhulume kanjani. Bone ngabe beyibuka nje as a blessing nje ukuthi umamkhulu akahlala egcekeni, because mina I would imagine ukuhlala nomamkhulu egcekeni is like ukuhlala noma stand egcekeni. I'm not even going to talk again about indaba yaMayeni saying ukuthi ubenakekela uMseleku uMacele engekho, and I'm just like, yo, some things nje should not be said by some people ngoba ngeke zireceive kahle. Mhlambe ukubishiwo uMangwabe uMakhumalo mhlambe bizozwakala cause asikaze siza ukuthi kuthiwa bagodukile baduba. The current perception of uMayeni is that she chose herself, wagoduka, yabo nje wathi nje indoda izoyibonela, washiya ingane zodwa endlini. At some point was dragging her feet about paying for a hospital bill, ibindoda isesibhedlela icayi, and refusing to give support. During nje lesa sikhathi where uMseleku was sick, she didn't exhibit ukuphatheka kabi. After finding out ukuthi uyagula, ube umuntu nje onganendaba. She appeared unbothered and she appeared very annoyed nje ukuthi uguliswe izinto zakhe. So now suddenly ubesemzumbe full time, being the dutiful wife, taking care of the house, taking care of the kids and the husband. Aibo, guys, come on. I'm sorry, but umamkhulu nje right. When it comes to this situation nje, I do take iside la mamkhulu. But also another thing that I said in my previous review ukuthi uMacele akayiboni ekwisithembu, guys, like I said. And uMseleku uyakuziba lokho. I feel like sometimes he fails to see ukuthi kwezinye izinto amseka kuzo akamseki ngoba nakho ethanda ukumseka, umseka ngoba nakho azi ukuthi lento amseka kuyona izohlabekisa lamanye amakhosikazi noma yena she's gonna benefit in that. The people who are really feeling the heat of lesi sithembu ngempela ilabantu abahlala eMzumba. So I do see their side, shame your frustration ukuthi lo muntu ofikayo labantu abalakho bengena nje, because obviously they don't know whether lo number 5 yena wokugcina yini noma kuzolokho kungelile nje abantu bezogcwalisa eMzumba. So now they really do think about their space ukuthi how is it gonna affect indlela abahleli ngayo already ku-tense. I'm sure uMacele, on the other hand, doesn't have to deal with the day-to-day struggles of being in a polygamous marriage. Mhlambe futhi iyona lento yenza ukuthi uMacele angakwazi ukuzwelana nalamanye amakhosikazi because she lives far away and lezi inkinga lezi akazizwa as much as the other wives. Mhlambe futhi yikho disassociated kuzona lezi inkinga lezi sithembe engasayiboni ngathi like she's part of his temple, because vele izinto eziningi ezenzakala eMzumba zim-affect yena because usuke esesiphakhe ehlalele kamnandi eshayela umoya, kekho umuntu omcefezelayo egceni lakhe. So when it comes to imithi kaMseleku noSne, siyabonga nje ukuthi uSne ummisile ubaba wakhe before akhiphe indaba esingahlangene nazo, guys. All we needed to know is why the sister was not in the picture anymore, and now that we know ukuthi they no more close. Okunye nokunye asihlangani nakho, guys, it has nothing to do with uthando nesithembu. Siyabonga ke nje uSne ukuthi wamstoppa because bezoyikhipha zonke. But ke sana usitshelile ke uMseleku the gist of the whole rumors. So we find out ukuthi kahle ima elotsholwa uMakhwela, which is why she couldn't enter the yard in the other episode, which is why ubengashuqulile engahezile ubesayintombi that time ngempela. But now my question is, uthe uMacele ufuna ukubona umuntu oselotsholiwe akafuni ukubona intombi. So now I'm confused. Ngiconfuseka lana ke mina manje ukuthi manje did uMacele go back on her word wathi you know what mulethe ngimbone even though akakalotsholwa, at least useceliwe, noma is it the way these episodes are aligned that's causing the confusion? Because manje it's like, girl, you lied. Uhlangane nentombi ingakalotsholwa, kodwa you told the wives ukuthi uzohlangana nomuntu wena eselotsholiwe. Yabona nje, I'm just so confused, but ke asikho lapho. Umseleku also revealed ukuthi number 5 ogcina. I am so relieved because it's time. It's honestly time for him to stop all this foolishness. Umdala lo baba, and manje it's time for him to just focus on health yakhe ney'ngane zakhe nabazukulu. Also, what I forgot to mention ukuthi lento yakhe umseleku yokuthi uzothengela uMacele another house outside eMzumbe. I'm just like, that's another disaster waiting to happen. Izoba divider even more leyo nto. But ke sana asazi, we can only watch and see ukuthi kwenzakalani. But Kesana, I would like to hear your thoughts on this episode. Please make sure to comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that our community can continue to grow. As always, thank you for the love and support. Ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.